Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. We are going to analyze the Hindu newspaper for today. आज हम the Hindu newspaper आज का analyze करने जा रहे हैं and today is 1st July 2020. So आज 1st July 2020 को we are going to analyze the Hindu newspaper and the classes will be uploaded at 10 pm. 10 pm रात को 10 बजे classes upload हो जाया करेंगी, right? उससे पहले भी आ सकते हैं classes. You can get the क्लास नोट्स ऑन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल दैट इज सिंप्लीफाइंग यूपीएससी विद ईज. क्लास नोट्स आपको मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे, सिंप्लीफाइंग यूपीएससी विद ईज, एंड द लिंक इज ऑल्सो गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. लिंक भी दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. अगर आपको क्लास के नोट्स डाउनलोड करने हैं, सारे क्लास नोट्स वहीं आपको एक जगह पर मिलेंगे, राइट. ऑल्सो हियर इज अ स्मॉल अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. आप सभी के लिए एक छोटी सी अनाउंसमेंट भी है रिगार्डिंग द फ्री स्पेशल लाइव क्लास विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेक टुमारो. So the first class that I am going to take is Physical Environment Geography class 11th NCERT chapter 1 and 2. So slowly we are going to cover the chapters of Physical Environment Geography class 11th NCERT for prelims. Prelims 2020, 2021, 2022, 23 अगर आपका attempt है, so this class is for all of you. Tomorrow it's going to be conducted in the morning at 8 am, 8 to 9 am. सुबह 1 घंटे की क्लास होगी 8 से 9 बजे की, जिसमें हम chapter 1 and 2 cover करेंगे. Then next class will be on chapter 3, that is drainage. That will be tomorrow only at 10 am. 10 to 11, right? So first class will be at 8 to 9, then 10 to 11. So it is free class for all of you, right? वैसे आप देखते होंगे कि ज्योग्राफी एनसीईआरटी की पेड क्लासेस होती है अनअकैडमी प्लस पे, बट आई एम टेकिंग फ्री क्लासेस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. आई एम गोइंग टू कवर द ज्योग्राफी, फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट, एनसीईआरटी. सो फॉर कवरिंग चैप्टर 1 to 3 you can register to these two classes. The link is given below in the description box. इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. Now also you can take Unacademy Plus subscription. आप Unacademy Plus का सब्सक्रिप्शन भी ले सकते हो, जो कि आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा शर्मा 20 कोड यूज करके. You can easily get 10% discount by using the code Sharma 20. Now the first important news is free food grain scheme till November. Now this is on page 1 related to GS paper 3. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that free grain distribution scheme under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana will be extended by 5 months till the end of November, and additional cost of the scheme is 90,000 crore, right? So this scheme is important for prelims perspective. ये scheme prelims के लिए important है. प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना. It was announced as a part of the first relief package during the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 का जो महामारी घोषित हुई थी, उस दौरान हमने ये scheme launch की थी. The scheme was announced for a 3-month period. Now it is being extended. ये सिर्फ जून 30 तक के लिए अनाउंस की गई थी, बट अब इसको और 5 महीने एक्सटेंड कर दिया गया है, राइट. The scheme covers 80 crore ration card holders. That is 2/3 of India's population it is going to cover. And under the scheme, for the next 5 months, 5 kg of free food grains, rice or wheat to each member of a family, and 1 kg of pulses, that is chana, to each family per month will be provided free of cost. All right. So this is very important for prelims. Only the scheme is very important for prelims. Next news, core industry output contracts for 3rd month. Now in prelims 2017 question on core industries came. 2017 में prelims में क्वेश्चन आया था कोर सेक्टर्स के ऊपर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड रिमेंबर व्हाट आर दी कोर सेक्टर्स इन इंडिया. देयर आर 8 कोर सेक्टर्स इन इंडियन इकोनॉमी. फर्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सेकंड इज स्टील, थर्ड इज रिफाइनरी प्रोडक्ट, देन क्रूड ऑयल, coal, cement, natural gas and fertilizer. These are the 8 most important sectors in our Indian economy. And according to this news, according to a data released by Commerce Ministry, the output of 8 core sector industries shrank 23% in May 2020. Now this is the 3rd straight month of contraction. Yani ki that here is a decrement, as you can see, decrement in the performance of these 8 core sectors. In 8 core sectors की performance में decrement देखने को मिली है according to a data which has been released by Commerce Ministry. Of the 8 core sectors, the fertilizer industry, that is the 8th industry, was the only one that saw actual growth in output. May 2020 में सिर्फ fertilizer sector में, fertilizer industry में ही increment देखने को मिला है. The rest of the 7 sectors continue to shrank, with the steel sector performing the worst and recording 48.4% decrement. Energy sector also showed negative growth, right? So you have to make sure कि ये data, these figures, you have to note them down. Next important news, banned apps will get chance to send in their clarifications. So yesterday we studied about the 59 apps which have been banned, right? India में 59 apps को ban किया गया है, ये कल ही हमने पढ़ा है, right? This topic has already been covered. Now here this news says that Union government has banned 59 Chinese application, but it has also given them the chance to send in their clarifications. Okay, so Information Technology Ministry official has said that the banned platforms would be given a chance to submit their clarifications. Why we should not ban them? क्या clarification उन्हें अपनी तरफ से देना है वो submit कर सकते हैं. This is in line with provision of Information Technology Rules 2009. So we have already covered this particular topic, right? Right? हमने IT Act तो अच्छे से cover कर ही दिया है. Next important news, very important for prelims, GS paper 3 also. Gas leak in Vizag Pharma plant kills 2. So 2 persons died and 4 others were taken ill after inhaling the hydrogen sulfide vapors that leaked from the reactor of pharmaceutical company's plant at Jawaharlal Nehru Pharma City late on Monday. So there was another gas leak at Cyanor Life Science Private Limited, Jawaharlal Nehru Pharma City in Visakhapatnam, because of which 2 people died and 4 people have been injured. So here for prelims what you have to study, hydrogen sulfide, H2S. What is it? It is a colorless chalcogen hydride gas with characteristic foul odor. It's very poisonous, very flammable. या अगर आप इससे कांटेक्ट में आते हो तो आईज में इरिटेशन होगी, नोज में इरिटेशन होगी, थ्रोट और लंग्स में इरिटेशन होगी, एंड दिस गैस कैन ऑल्सो इरिटेट दी breathing pattern, breathing system plus also the brain, and it can lead to death also. It dissolves very easily in water and oil, right? तो ये liquid के through ज़्यादा जल्दी से spread होता है. If it gets dissolved in water and oil, and if you are going to heat the water and oil, then it will spread very rapidly. It occurs in volcanic gases, natural gas, and some sources of well water also. So why H2S is used? It is used to produce sulfuric acid and sulfur, and it is used to create variety of inorganic sulfides also, pesticides also. It is used to produce heavy water for the nuclear power plants as well, right? So it's a very dangerous gas. 46 million girls went missing in India. 1 in 3 girls are missing globally due to sex selection, both pre and postnatal. And it is from India that 46 million out of total 142 million according to the UNFPA State of World Population 2020 report, which was released on Tuesday. So for prelims, UNFPA's report is very important. Prelims के लिए 2021 aspirant specially. Prelims 2020 तो तैयार हो चुका है question paper. So for mains 2020 it is important, and for prelims 2021 and 22 also it is important. United Nations Population Fund has released its State of the World Population 2020 report. They can give you this question that State of the World Population report is published by which organization? ठीक है, कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो ये रिपोर्ट पब्लिश करती है, तो याद रखना है. द रिपोर्ट एग्जामिन्स द इशू ऑफ मिसिंग वुमेन बाय स्टडिंग सेक्स रेशियो इम्बैलेंस एट बर्थ as a result of gender biased sex selection. Sex ratio measures the number of females born for every 1,000 males, and it also measures the female mortality. What is excess female mortality? It is the difference between observed and expected mortality of girl child. क्या reality में और क्या expect किया गया है उसका difference होता है excess female mortality. Okay. Now, what are the key findings of this report? The figure shows that number of missing women has more than doubled over the past 50 years. In 1970, it was 61 million. With the advent of technology and increased access to ultrasound imaging, number of girls missing due to female feticide has exceeded those that were missing because of postnatal sex selection. Gender biased sex selection हो रहा है जिसके वजह से women are, girls are missing, right? Female feticide is also increasing. Also in India, what has been found that 1 in 3 girls are missing globally because of sex selection. The report cites 2014 study also, and it states that India has the highest rate of excess female death. India में ना 13.5 per 1,000 female birth है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर फीमेल डेथ जो है वो ज्यादा है. सेम स्टडी इज शोन इन अफगानिस्तान ऑल्सो, बांग्लादेश ऑल्सो, पाकिस्तान ऑल्सो. देयर ऑल्सो एक्सेस फीमेल मोर्टेलिटी इज देयर, राइट? So this is the unfortunate news. This is based on a survey of more than 8,000 women in 5 states where child marriage is most prevalent: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. All right. Next important news is World Bank okays funds for Namami Gange. So World Bank has approved a 5-year loan to Namami Gange project worth 3,000 crore, that is $400 million loan has been given to develop and improve infrastructure projects to abate pollution in the river basin. So this particular loan has been approved by World Bank's Board of Executive Director. They are going to support our government's Namami Gange program. Basically, we are going to control pollution in the Ganga river. We are going to restore the water quality of Ganga river. Okay, so this is the important news for today. ये आपके आज का important news collection था. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you really enjoyed it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.